Well, hello and welcome to Nugget Shooter Journals. Today I'm at San Domingo again. I'm here a lot, and I'm in a little wash here. And you can see all the rocks thrown up on the edge here. Big rocks and everything all the way up, and we all know what that is, right? Tailings pile. And I've got my first target of the day right in here. I just moved a couple rocks, thinking it was a hot rock, but sorry, got the camera too close. But we have a target right there. So I'm going to set the camera up and we're going to dig it up. Alrighty, first target of the day. It's down on the bedrock. Somebody's been in here, or the water did, and cleaned it off pretty darn good. It's right in here. I gotta get the copper bracelet off my arm. I forgot. Really have to get this out with a brush. Yep, I have to blow it out of here actually. See what I got here. We'll try the brush first, I think. Okay. Maybe we'll get a look at it here. Okay, see if it's still in there. Yes, indeed. Once we get it moved, it'll be a little easier. Okay. I think I moved it a little bit. I gotta get this thing off my arm. Big chunks of copper aren't good for metal detecting. Come on off there. Oh. Come on. No. It's still in there. I'll get that bracelet off in a minute. I want to know what's down in this crack. I may have to break it up. Would be first one of the day is difficult. Still in there. I'm gonna pull a little this way. Darn bracelet. Somewhere in this is real rough right here. You can see how rough it is. It's in a crack in here. A lot of work if it's a BB, right? Okay, we're gonna have to break it up. I'll be back. Okay, I broke it up with a pick. I think we might have moved a little bit. Let's see. Get the brush back out. Sounds like somebody else is close to me. Saw some people up here. A lot of people out of San Domingo these days. It's still down in there. We're gonna have to resort to a little, Where's my... There it is. Break some of this up. See if we can't coax this thing out of here. I don't know. Break up the bedrock here. See if we can move it. Okay. I think we gotta take this piece out right here. It's in there pretty good. I don't know. There we go. Okay. Now let's see if we move that bugger, will we? Sounds like we moved it or something. Pretty small. Okay. See what we got. A lot of work for this one. But I dig them all. My friends, I dig them all. I'm trying to sit down here. Okay, we moved it. Okay, find my scoop. Right in this pile. Right here, I think. I'm on the edge of a little waterfall here. It's kind of hard to maneuver. We got it. Okay, let's see what it is we got. Something hurt my foot back here. Ouch. Okay. Yeah. Huh. Uh-oh. Little piece of lead, it looks like. Yep. See it in there? Little bitty piece of lead. Bouncing around the bottom there. That's okay. Part of the game. Just part of the game. More bullet fragments, man. I'm not going to share a lot of these digs. Here's another one. Yep. Yeah, another piece of a bullet. Somebody used this whole area as target shooting area or whatever. But it's, yeah, there's a lot of trash in here. But you got to dig it all, don't you? Yep, you got to dig it all. Hopefully we'll get across a nugget in here. If not, yeah, it's just another one of those days, right? So, anyway, off I go. Alrighty, I went back and got reinforcements. I got Bruno. There he is right there, Bruno. Come here, boy. There's the photo bomber. And look who else I got coming with me. We're going to go hunt a different spot.
I wasn't coming out today. I forgot my belt that I usually wear with my metal detecting cargo pants at home. We'll get it tomorrow. So I'm out detecting in leggings and knee pads. So get a good laugh.
Yeah. So anyway, we're going to go up here and see about finding another nugget or two in one of my favorite old spots. So anyway, I'll get back. I got skunked real bad over across from where we're camped. And nothing but trash, trash, trash. So anyway, we're going to go up here and hunt. Oh, we got a little target right here. I scraped the rocks off. Right in here. There's a lot of hot rocks in this stuff. A lot of volcanic material. Sounds like it's right on top. Good chance that's a BB. That's what I'm gonna guess. Hearing my headphones getting close. There we go. We got it. Let's see what it is we got. Okay, it's in my hand. I think I see a piece of wire. Oh, yeah. Yep. Piece of screen wire or brush wire. Looks like it's off a brush. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we got a faint target right in here. Now, I'm not sure if this is just going to be ground or rock or whatever, but I had its top scraped off. I can barely hear it. So we'll get a bigger hole and see what we can hear here. Here. Okay, see what happened. Dirt's still pretty wet. It's telling me I still got a target down there, which is exciting in a way. So we're going to unstrap from the bungee and see if we can't dig this thing up. A lot of times there can be patches of hot ground or rocks and other crap. The ground here is really mineralized, so it can fool you. As long as it's making a sound, I want to see what it is. Well, that's the target. It's down pretty deep. Come on. So, probably not going to be a hot rock. It's down deep enough to give us hope. Tammy's already got a nugget. I just went over and looked at it. Little one, which, hey, she got one before I did. Okay, we moved it. Okay, let's see where it is. Move a little dirt back. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing over here. Okay, it's right in here. Right there. What do you think it is, Bruno? Okay, we got it. What do you think, Bruno? Huh? What do you think, buddy? Oh, it's going to be a piece of junk. Yep, it's down deep too. Piece of a bullet fragment or something right there, that gray thing. That's down pretty deep. I thought we had a nugget there. I did too. Yep, I did. That's what I thought, boy. Okay, good as new. Okay, off we go. Well, that's it for me. I got skunked. Well, I was metal detected. I dug metal. So technically I'm not skunked, but no gold. But she got a nugget.
Yes, I did.
A little one.
A
Come on,
tiny
show
one.
it off. Might as well show something. I don't have one to show.
Like we say, they all add up, but I'm getting better at pinpointing them, that's for sure. And it's a tiny one. Don't want to drop it. I'll have to end up metal detecting out here. Trying to get it in the sun.
And there it is. Da,
It's
da, da, da.
gold!
A nugget. So, if you like watching me get skunked, you like watching me find gold sometimes, and if you enjoy these videos, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Nugget Shooter out.